Evet, bina yıkılıyor şu anda. Bir bina daha yıkıldı, evet, yan tarafında. Arama kurtarma ekipleri.
Powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake rocked southern Turkey and neighboring Syria earlier. At least 43 aftershocks have occurred with a magnitude of 4.3 or more.
Allah'ım.
The quake struck 23 kilometers east of Nadahi in Gaziantep province. The quake was at a depth of 24.1 kilometers. A strong shock of magnitude 7.5 light after a devastating earthquake. This aftershock was extremely shallow, only 10 kilometers deep, which wasn't the shaking felt.
Evet, hepsi sağlamdı, hepsi.
Entire city blocks were flattened by the quake. Metal rods were strewn across the streets and vehicles toppled over.
Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Yüce Rabbim bizlere yardım eyle ya Rabbi.
More than 1,000 high-rise buildings were destroyed.
Sırastan açtım, gittim, giyindim, çıktım, çok.
At least 120 aftershocks have occurred following powerful earthquake in southern Turkey.
Allah'ım ne olur yardım et Allah'ım.
3 of the aftershocks measured 6.0 or greater. That struck 95 kilometers north of the epicenter of the morning's main quake.
Allahu Ekber.
Depremin tam merkezi. Karşıda evler yıkık vaziyette.
The aftershocks stretched for more than 300 kilometers along the fault zone.
Acayip bir şekilde sarsılmasıyla deprem olduğunu anladık. Geri döndük tekrardan yıkılan. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Yüce Rabbim bizlere yardım eyle ya Rabbi.
The port of Iskenderun in southern Turkey was damaged.
Allah'ım sen bizlere yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen bize yardım eyle. Allah'ım yardım et. Yardım eyle ya Rabbi.
Some parts of the port's dock collapsed.
Allah'ım sen yardım et Allah'ım. Hindistan'ın yarısı gitmiş.
Elsewhere, cracks formed on the runways of some airports in the earthquake zone.
Her yer yıkıldı Elbistan'da.
Many countries have already begun to provide humanitarian assistance.
Antakya burası şu an. Yakın her yere vurmuş. Ayakta bina yok.
Rescues are still working to free people trapped under the rubble.
Yo.
More than 1,000 high-rise buildings were destroyed.
Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle ya Rabbi. Sen yardım eyle ya Rabbi. Rabbim sen yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle.
Metal rods were strewn across the streets and vehicles toppled over.
Ya böyle
Entire city blocks were flattened by the quake.
Sen yardım et. Allah'ım sen yardım et. Allah'ım sen yardım et.
In southern Turkey, buildings crumble like sand. Obliterated by some of the worst earthquakes in a century. The first struck before dawn as the country slept. The impact captured on a shop's CCTV, shaking for around 90 seconds. The terror and scale of the damage revealed with the light. The number trapped beneath the rubble is unknown. The death toll is rising, and the aftershocks keep coming. A second 7.6 quake rocked the center of the country, making the rescue efforts even more dangerous.
There was an aftershock of more than 6 points magnitude, and it did cause a certain extra damage, not just only hampering the rescue efforts. Because I did see on my way, this is my second visit here, some of the buildings that were that looked fine before were also damaged.
The earthquake was incredibly powerful, unleashing widespread destruction without warning. A force so intense, it wiped out history in seconds. This 2,000-year-old castle among the wreckage.
Bu gece saat
At 4:17 a.m. we experienced the worst disaster of the century since the 1939 Erzincan earthquake. The earthquake, whose epicenter was in Parachuk in Kahramanmaraş and had a magnitude of 7.7, as per the latest estimates, was felt in a very broad region.
Survivors are being found. Here, a child is pulled from the rubble. The next 48 hours are critical for saving as many lives